So first of all, we have this question, and if you look at this exercise 20C, right? So like any question we can take, suppose we are taking question number. Day plays golf almost every day. The data set given shows in scores for his last 40 rounds. So now what we have to do, first of all, just look at the data 72, 81, 78, 77, right? Until 83, the last entry. So first of all, what you have to do, construct a tally and frequency table for this data using the class intervals 70 to 74. Okay, so here class interval, we have to follow this scale which is given in this question. Okay. So first of all, we draw a class interval, write the class interval, and then you will draw table. Okay, so suppose this is the class interval. This is class interval. In short, you can write in CI, otherwise class interval, and otherwise in short you can write CI. Okay, so this is question number 1. Class interval is given 70 to 74. First class interval is given 70 to 74. Then we have 75 to 79. 75 to 79. Then we have 80 to 84. And then we have 85 to 89. 5 to 18. Okay. Now what we do here, we look for the frequency. Okay, frequency. If you wish, you can write frequency here, and then you can tally marks this frequency. But you know, in most of books, we write frequency here, and tally bars are written between class interval and frequency. Okay, so let's continue with that one, that concept. So now 70 to 74. Okay, so count the data, all the data which is 70 to 74. First one is 1, and then there is 2, 74, right? Then there is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then 8. There are 8. Guys, understanding what everybody is understanding, or you have problem, Kimura?
What, sir? What do you do? What did you do, sir?
This.
Yeah, sir. How did you find it?
Yeah, okay. So I will put red mark, okay, over, or see this one. First, I'm looking for the 70 to 74. So all the numbers from 70 to 74.
Oh, okay.
72, and then 75, 74.
Wait, sir, isn't that only 70 to 74? But
Yeah, for first class interval 70 to 74. Oh, sorry. By mistake.
Yeah.
I
That's
answer 75.
no.
Yeah. Only 70 to 74.
That one 71,
72,
72. Then yeah, that's it. 72 on the bottom.
Oh yeah, one. Right.
So 1, 2,
1, 2, 3,
7,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. This is 8. Okay. Understood, Karen? Now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next is 75 to 79. So 75 to 79 means
That one, 78,
76,
77, 78,
78,
then 75,
Six.
76, 70, no,
7,
that's not
right?
77.
77,
Yeah, then 75, 9,
79,
75.
5,
Yeah, then 75
75,
again, 79, then 76,
76,
77,
5,
78,
70,
78, then 76,
26,
76,
76.
77. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, let's
So
count how
1,
many?
2, 3,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5,
4,
6,
5, 6,
7, 8,
7, 8,
9,
9,
10,
10, 11, 12, 13,
12,
16.
16. Yes, 16. Right, you are right, 16. So there
So
are 16 entries from 75 to 79.
4,
Guys,
5, 6,
so
7,
you also
8,
16.
8,
And
9,
then
9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 for
12.
80 to 84. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so if it's you are saying that 12, let's then everybody just count it. Okay, 12, and then this 85 to
So
89.
85 to 89, first row is 89, 1, then 85, 2, then 80, then 87, 3, then no, then this is no, 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 no. I think so there's only 4.
4. Okay,
Try
just
count
okay.
first,
For
right?
this is
89.
20, this is 20, 40. Okay, let me, okay, yes, right. Absolutely correct. Because if I add
Oh,
all this one, it's given sub 40, and here some of frequency also. Right? This is 24, 36, 40. I'm getting it's okay. Seems
okay.
correct. Okay. Now you have to draw here tally marks. Okay. Tally marks. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4.
Or
And for
one
5,
line,
yeah,
one
for
line.
5, this line. Okay, this is 5, guys, and
Then
then
6, 7, 8,
6, 7, and
3.
8. Okay,
Yeah.
then
Okay.
for 16, 1, 2,
1, 2,
3, 4.
3, 4, 5.
For 5, this is 5. Then now 1,
6,
2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry, 5. Yeah.
10.
Wait.
You did 5 on the bottom.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now
5.
this is 5.
Then
Now
again
15. Okay, more 1, 2, 3,
2,
4.
3, 4 line.
For 5, this 15, 5, 5,
Then
15. Then one more, we need
1.
one more line,
1.
16. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and for 5, this one. Then
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2
1,
more.
2, 3, 4.
4 line.
Yes, if I have 10.
Then
Now
2,
12 means 1 to 12.
1,
Okay,
2.
in case of
Then
4,
1.
1, 2, 3. So these are the tally marks. Okay. Okay, guys, these are the tally marks. So first of all, you must be able to know if you have this type of data, how to write their frequency. First of all, how to make a class interval. As per your standard, class interval will be given. Okay, it will be mentioned. These are the class interval.
Yes.
Arrange your data within this class interval, or sometimes if class interval are not given, so we can make ourselves. Then we are free to choose the class interval, and obviously we will take the reasonable, class interval, right?
Okay. Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, for frequency, is it like how many times the thing is
Yes,
occurring?
the thing is correct. Yes, it's absolutely correct.
It's
How
occurring.
many times
Yeah.
the particular entry or thing is coming.
Yes.
Okay, a telemarks, you know how. Okay. So this was
Yes.
part A of this question. Now, if you look at B, then there will be some question based on this table. Means you need to interpret. Means it will assess your understanding about this table. Okay, let's look at this one. How many of Dave's score were more than 84? Okay, more than 84. So what, Karen, what answer you says? Look at the table.
85.
When we make the table, then it becomes very easy.
Is it 85 to 89?
Yes, you are right. How many of Dave's score were more than 84? So
Yeah.
yes, he's talking about the class interval
85.
85 to 89, but we have tried the frequency because how many of Dave's score? What he's asking, how many of Dave's
Frequency.
score more than 84? So there are 4 scores which are greater than 84, right? So obviously they
Yeah.
will be from 85 to 89, but there will be 4 scores which are greater than 84. Am I correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
Valia and Karen, Kyla understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Because one question will be you will have to make a table, but after making table, there will be question based on the table. Now, once we make the table, things are very clear in front of us. Now, if we okay, so that your answer is 4. Okay, now we are looking for frequency. So part C, what percentage of Dave's score were less than 75? Yeah, good question.
8.
Okay, so first of all,
But then,
yes, of course there are 8, but there are, if he
you have to
does not
convert.
ask, or he has asked how many of this for less than 75. Obviously there are 8. There are 8. Okay, but these now we have, if you see there is percentage is written. So percentage
So
means because there are 40, because how many scores are there are 40 scores. So there are 8 scores which is less than 75. Okay, there are 8 scores which is less than 75, but this 78 score out of 40. Okay, because we have to write the percentage, 8 as a percentage. So 8 out of 40. Okay, when you have to write 8 as a percentage, so 8 is a part of 40, and then you can see this 8 5 and it will be 20%. Guys, it's a little bit, the difficulty level goes a little bit up. Okay, first in part we simply asking the how many scores, and second scores, but in the form of percentage,
okay.
right? Yeah, now part D, if you look at part D, copy and complete. More scores were in the interval. Yeah. So what should be?
We should like draw more class intervals, which is not there in the class intervals we did before.
I think more scores were in the interval than in any. It means what he's asking. More score, which is having.
Is it 75 to 79?
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. He is asking about the interval which is having the highest number of scores. And how can we know? It's 16 because 16 is the highest frequency. So this will be the highest. Okay. This will be the class having the highest number. And in later you will see this is the model class because it is the highest frequency. But this time he's not asking, but otherwise we can say, if I change the question, it's the model
Oh,
class. So this is the model class. And what is which class interval? This class interval 75 to 79.
okay.
Okay. Okay. So now what happened? What happened here? Stem and leaf means this portion is called stem. This portion is called stem and this portion is called leaf. Stem is 0,
Which
1.
question is this, sir? Oh, number 5.
Yeah. Stem is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this one is the stem. And leaf means like this
Okay,
portion is
next
leaf.
row.
But since there is not any single digit, if you read this data, there is not a single digit. Okay, so not necessary, then no necessary to write 0. Okay, even if you write, there is no problem, but since there is not any single number, so no need to write 0. Okay, so single number, I think the smallest is the 19. Okay, I mean there is 1. So 1 we need, 2, 3, 4,
4, 5,
and
6.
I think 5 is the
Five
maximum,
is
right?
the last.
551, 5 is the maximum. So we don't need to write 6, 7, 8. Okay, we don't
9.
need to write 6, 7, 8. So only we need these stem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now in first case, no need to write, no need to put them in order. You can simply write them as a unordered. Okay. So first 27, like 27. So you write 27 here. Then 34, right? 34 means here. Then 19, this is 9 here. Then 36 means here. Just put enough space between two numbers so that we can separate them. Okay. Then 52, this is 52. Then 34. Now again, just stem 3 and 4 is leaf. Then 42, just write in front of 2, in front of 42. 4 write 2. Okay, that 42. And then 51, write 1 here. And
18.
then 18. Yes, 18. So right here. Then 48 is here. Then 29 here, 29. 27 here, 27. 33, 33 here. 30, 3 and 0. And 46, 4 and 6 here. 19, 1, 9 here. Okay, and 19. Then 35. This is 5, 3, 5. 24, 2, 4 here. And then 21, 2, 1 here.
56.
56 here. So this is unordered. Okay, this is unordered stem and leaf. What type? So we will draw both ordered and one unordered. But first of all, we have to draw unordered. This is, guys, unordered stem and leaf. Is it clear how to
Yes.
draw this stem and leaf? Or you have still some doubt? So we can explain it again if you have.
Sir, for that. So example, if it's ordered, then is it from like the least greatest to the greatest?
Yes, we will discuss how to put them in order. But first of all, we are just looking the raw data and writing the stem leaf.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So once this is clear, then we make a ordered stem leaf. Okay. So, but if it's clear, so then I will move forward. After this one, this was part A. This was part A when we have to draw. And now, Karen, for part B, we have to draw ordered. Okay. You can redraw the system. Ordered. Okay. See that last order word is there. So we'll put them in order. Ordered. Okay. Here stem and draw a line, and this side will be leaf. Okay, this side leaf. So okay, little bit I will go down. Okay, guys. So you know what we have to do. Stem will be same 1, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. Guys, what you have to do? You
Yes,
just arrange
ascending.
each row, each leaf in order. Okay, each one what we are doing, we are writing each row in ascending order. Okay, in ascending order. Understanding, Karen? This is 9 8 9. Write this 8, then 9, and then 9. Understanding, guys? The first look at this one. We have this, this first row. Okay, 9 8 9, and this we are putting in ascending order. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you have to put each row in ascending order. This 7 9 7 4 1. So this will write first is 4 1. Okay, 1. Then there is 4. Then there is 7 2 time. Okay, and then there is 9. Okay, 1 4 7 7 9. Right. Then there is the third row. So 0 is the least one. 0 after 0, there should be 3.
4
then
4
4,
5 6.
then 4, then 5, and then 6. Okay. Then next, this is 2, and then there should be 6, then 8, and then there should be 1, 2, and 6. So understood? First of all, we have to make unordered, and then we have to make ordered. So there is only one difference between ordered and unordered. In unordered, numbers, they are not in order. I mean, we write them as we take these from the data, and then once we make unordered, then we put them in ascending order like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You know immediately. Okay, now in part C, Brian, if you look at part C is asking about state the model class.
Is it the 3 1?
Yeah, see the longest leaf. So this is the longest leaf. Okay, what we have to see, which one is the longest leaf. So this one is the longest leaf. So this will be the model class. This you will have to show. You will have to either you write or either you just say this one. You have to show this is the model class. Model class. Draw the diagram. The diagram by arrow. You can show this is the model class. Because why? Because it has the longest leaf. Longest leaf means highest frequency. Right?
But sir, if example we want to show it, then we just rewrite it like stem and leaf, then 303 like that.
But I don't. If you rewrite, then you can. But it's better if you show this in diagram itself. You just arrow model class, put arrow, and you can put. It's not necessary to shade it, but simply model class and put arrow. But if you have colors, pencils, then you can show through the color also. Right?
So for the model class, do we just write 3 or do we write like the leaf?
No. You have to. No, it's if you write 3, it's I think will not be complete, or some maybe answer may have some ambiguity. So better just write model class in front of 3 and put arrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because this you have to show in the diagram. Right? If you write 3, so 3, 3 stem and 3 is also given in the leaf. So it may be confusing. So to avoid that confusion, just model class. And one more thing, what you can do, you are using pen, whatever. You can just you can make this type of box also to show this one. This is the model class. Now it's clear. I think it's more clear when we draw this box and write model class before the 3 showing arrow. So on there should be clear answers. There should not be ambiguity in. Okay. So you will have this type of question in your exams where you have to draw this order and unordered, and then you need to give answers question based on this one. So guys, try question number 7 right now. Look at this question number 7. This good question where you have to. Okay, this question number 7. Try this one. Draw
Okay, sir.
this one. Okay, and then because it has many parts and very important, so we can discuss the answer. Okay, so I'm giving you 5 minutes to draw both as unordered and then ordered.